Welcome you all in part 2 of Principle of Finance. Let's start MCQs. Which one is not an objective of financial management? Four options are there: maximization of profit, maximization of return on equity, minimization of cost, and wealth. Out of these four, if we consider objective of financial management, so maximization of profit, wealth, and return on equity means first, second, and fourth option is right. So wrong option is minimization of cost. So minimization of cost is not an objective of financial management. So right answer is third one, minimization of cost. Which one is not an advantage of sole proprietorship? First option, easiest and least expensive form of ownership to organize. The business is easy to dissolve if desired. Third is the ability to raise funds may be increased. And fourth option is he may take decision as they see fit. So the question is not an advantage. So first, second, and fourth, these three options are advantages of sole proprietorship. But ability to raise the funds, so sole proprietor can't raise more funds because of limited number of members. So the right option is third one. The ability to raise the funds may be increased. Third question, which one is not an advantage of partnership? First is easy to establish. Second one is more than one owner. Third one is partnership agreement. All these three are the advantages of partnership. Fourth one is partners are jointly and individually liable for action of the other partners. So fourth one is disadvantage of partnership firm, because if there is loss, then both the partners are going to share that loss also. So this is one of the disadvantage of partnership. Fourth question, which one is not a disadvantage related with limited liability company? So first option, ownership is limited by certain state laws. Second is agreements must be comprehensive and complex. Third one is beginning an LLC has high cost due to legal and filing fees. Fourth one is limit liability means limited liability to the company owners for debts and losses. So first three options are the disadvantages of LLC, but fourth one is limited liability is advantage of the limited liability. So the right answer is fourth one, limited liability. Next, choose appropriate features of joint stock company. So large scale capital, unlimited liability, stability of existence, and economics of scale. So large scale, first option, third and fourth option, large scale capital, stability of existence, and economic of scale. These three are the features of joint stock company. If we consider second option, so liability of joint stock company is limited liability. So second option is wrong. So right answer is first option, 1, 3, and 4. These three options are correct. So right answer is first one. Choose appropriate disadvantage of joint stock company. So first one is difficulty in formation, lack of secrecy, delay in decision making, and fourth one is limited liability. So difficulty in formation, lack of secrecy, delay in decision making, all these three options are disadvantages of joint stock company, but limited liability is advantage. So right answer is second one, option first, second, and third. Seventh question, what is responsibility or task of controller in organizational framework of financial management? So financial accounting, cost accounting, capital budgeting, and taxes. So if we consider the job of controller, so controller is dealing with financial accounting, cost accounting, and taxes. But capital budgeting is not related with controller. So right answer is capital budgeting. What is an what is not a responsibility of task or treasurer in the organization framework of financial management? So which is not task of treasurer. So credit analysis, pension fund management, cash management, and taxes. So out of these four, tax is not related with the treasurer, it is related with controller. So right answer is taxes, fourth option. Next, choose appropriate factors determining the choice of the source of finance. So first option is period of finance, then cost of funds, amount of finance, and availability of finance. So all four options are factors of the sources of finance. So all the options are right. So third one is right answer, all of the above. 10th question, match the pairs. First is on the basis of period. So if we consider period, then uh, there are two types, short term and long term. So fourth option is right. On the basis of ownership, so for that purpose, two types are there, own funds and borrowed funds. So second option, borrowed funds, is there. Generation of the finance. So if we consider that, then two types of sources are there, internal and external. So third option is right, external. And if we consider types of shares, then equity and preference, means equity shares is the right answer. So if we match these two pairs, the first option is right one. For A, fourth option is there. For B, second option is there. For C, third option is there. And for D, first option is there. Thank you.